Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and enable bell notification to never miss an update from us.
Hello everyone, this is Ashima from Entry app and I take general awareness and banking awareness on Entry app, and you must be knowing me from the channel itself because we have everyday current affairs session. So what is this session about? Why do I have this interaction with you on this platform right now? Why has this video been made? Now, the purpose of this video is there have been lots and lots of doubts being raised of students. Although the prior doubt is that when are the exams going to be, which neither me nor anyone else can tell you, right? That is something that comes from the officials side. We can all just guess or make our way through it. But the second most common doubt is that how do we study or what do we study, especially in terms of general awareness. तो जनरल अवेयरनेस में क्या पढ़ना है, कैसे पढ़ना है, कैसे प्लान करें हम हमारी स्टडीज को, that's something which is a second most common doubt. So I'll be talking to you about that in this video. But before we begin and before we go ahead with our discussion, something for all of you, and that is all those who are preparing for banking examinations. For all of you, we have free mocks, free test series, free video lessons, everything completely free, and that can be availed by you on Entry app. Now, why am I telling you before the video is because this video is all about preparation. And when you're preparing, you need something to boost your score, right? You already are preparing, but you need something to push you up. And more mocks, more and more test series, more tips and tricks, they help you through the way. So take the help that is being given, and you can download app from the description section, from the comment section of this video. It's all available there. Right now, coming back to the discussion that we were having. So what do we study? How do we study? What priority sectors should be there in terms of study? So let's elaborate on analyzing the previous segments. The previous examinations, in those we have seen that most of the portion that comes is regarding although banking awareness has a certain weightage, but higher than that is current affairs. Why do I say current affairs as higher than that? Because when we see a lot of banking questions, a lot of banking awareness questions. But if you look closely, if you are actually analyzing all of those papers, you would see कि उनके अंदर क्या आ रहा है कि banking का question भी current से जुड़ा हुआ है. Right? Something, a guideline of RBI has come, so they will ask you certain terminology associated with it. कि banking RBI ने कुछ release किया, open market operation suppose announce करे, तो OMO से related question आ गया. So that is something which is related to current affairs and is being asked indirectly from you. Right? So if you actually analyze the papers, you will see that most segment, like we can say most part of the segment that has current affairs or somewhere or the other linked to it. Right? But current affairs being such a vast subject, where do you begin with? What do you begin with? How do you go forward with things? So all that I'll be helping you in this video now. So first of all, in current affairs, we have a load of data, but there are certain sectors that you need to focus on, right? You don't need to go for how many cases are increasing of COVID, or you don't need to go for which states have lockdown. No, there are certain priority sectors. So how do you identify the priority sectors? First of all, in current affairs, there is a segment of national and international news. Very important. How to identify, I'll tell you later. First is the national and international news events, awards which are there, days, dates, important part of them being the theme उसमें ज़्यादा important होता है. So days, date, theme, national, international, award section, business, banking, that is very important for all of you, especially for SBI. That is banking and business, all the mergers, all the acquisitions, all the MOUs that have been signed, all the SOIs, statement of intent being signed, inter-country which are being signed or which are being signed between organizations, all the bank assurances that are there, and everything about those banks which are in news. That is very important segment, right? Then we have a few of sports segment also. A good balance can be found of sports segment also in the examinations, right? So here we have seen a few categories which are there. How do you identify which one is important, right? But for that, you'll have to go through the last year papers. When you go through last year papers, you'll see what level of questions are being asked, and you always prepare for a level above that level. राइट. सो अगर पुराने पेपर देखोगे तो आपको पता लगेगा कि वो लेवल क्या है और उससे ऊपर वाला लेवल जो है वो हमें प्रिपेयर करना है. यानी वो तो करना ही है, उससे ऊपर एक स्टेप ऊपर जाके तैयारी करनी है. Right now, when it comes to what will come in banking awareness, now when you're studying something of business newspaper or from business segment or from banking segment, whichever banks are in news, whatever terminology is in news, whatever insurance companies are in news, whatever bank assurances have been signed between whichever organizations, you need to know about those organizations. Right, so it is important to know exactly about those organizations also, and it is important to know about what is associated with them in the history or in the static part. Static being the appointments that are there, the headquarters, its establishing year, and if any certain major change it had done recently, all of those things we go through. Right, these are current related banking and financial awareness. Like RBI has released a certain guideline, so related to that, all about the guideline, all the FAQs that are associated with that, all those are important. Now apart from that, how do you study the other part of static section, or how do you know that which banking sector news is important? See, first of all 4 months are important for from the examination, which is expected to be soon. So from that we can say that for the past 4 months we study. But where do you take your information from banking sector terminology associated? So for that you go to the website of RBI, go through the FAQs of all of them, go to insurance IRDAI website and all the FAQs that are there. Banking sites also you can go and take up all the FAQs that are there, because FAQs are most of the times associated with all the basic doubts and terminology related things that are there, and they are very very helpful. Right, so go through all the FAQs that are there, and then we have books on banking and static that you can go through, or you can go through the quizzes. They are more helpful when it comes to the static part or the history of banking, if we say. For them, more of the beneficial part is going to be you go through the quizzes, and that is going to help you recall all of the stuff and revise all of that, and that's it. Because most of the times the questions that are being asked are from FAQ segment or from the current affairs segment. Right, so here we go for all the financial banking awareness. But how do you plan your study? Now you don't wait for the examination date to come. You begin that today. As of now you're watching this video, after this you go and you plan your everyday study plan. So what do? You study and give a certain set amount of time to current affairs. थोड़ा सा टाइम से 20 मिनट्स 30 मिनट्स यू हैव डेजिग्नेटेड कि मुझे आज की सारी अपडेट्स लेनी है. यू टेक 20 to 30 minutes ऑफ योर एवरीडे अपडेट. यू मेक ऑल द इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट्स आउट ऑफ इट. देन फॉर द नेक्स्ट 30 minutes you study about the banking related news, whatever has been in news, what all FAQs are there, whatever terminologies are there, and if any current affairs needs to be studied in detail. Right, so already a theory segment we have on Entry app also, and on Entry channel also. For English one we have on channel, but for Hindi we have it on app only. तो हिंदी वालों के लिए ऐप पे ही है, तो you can check that out. It's a hardly 10-15 minute session that I take, and I give you all the important information, and then furthermore if you have to study on detail, you can check that out for your own. Right, so you give the starting half hour to gaining the information from all around the world. Then for banking and financial and FAQs and all the static of banking, for that you give another half an hour. Right, there you have completed an hour. Now for the next 15-20 minutes you take questions of them. You take current affairs quiz, and for that you can either download Entry app. Over there we have everyday 15-minute quiz, not taking much of your time, and that will help you keep in touch with all the questions. And if you have others or you have mocks that you are giving, do take them. Do take the quiz. Questions help you memorize all the data efficiently. So it's very important to remember that data, and for remembering that data you need to give the questions as well. Studying the theory won't be sufficient. It is necessary because it's for mains as well as for descriptive paper or the interview segment that you will have. So it's important, it's very important. But for the objective part you will have to take the questions as well, because you need to know the frame of the question, right? Difficulty level of the question. So I hope these tips are helpful. Follow up this pattern. Try to develop this pattern from now on, so that it is not a burden to you. Don't make this segment a burden, because this is a make or break segment for you. anyone who's good at current affairs, general awareness, they have the edge in the exam, because everyone is studying all mathematics practice. They've practiced all the tricks, they've practiced all the reasoning, they've practiced all the English sets. But general awareness is something which is very dynamic, and that gives you an edge in the examination. And if you want that edge in the examination, you need to be serious about this segment. So start being serious from now onwards, start preparing for it, and create your own timetable for that, so that it helps you in your preparation in a better scale. In case of any doubt, any query that you have regarding it on how to prepare timetable, what to do, leave that in the comment section below, and we'll get back to you on that as soon as we can. So I'll see you in next subsequent videos. Until then, good luck with your preparations, start preparing, and make your timetable. Good luck all of you, and have a wonderful day ahead.